Welcome to Ngobo 23 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Aitada. This is Ngobo 23 Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. My brother, how's it?
Ngobo.
Kunzima.
Ayaphila mara ngipheli.
Mwenze njani?
Kano iChiefs yona.
Yeah.
Siyavumelana ngale kuma backdoor esupporters.
Yeah.
Asifuni bosipisi baphakamise iligi ngale zandla zabo.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Mara ukhulumile singakhuluma.
No, it's fine. Oh,
Esingamdisturb.
Yeah.
Uyabona? So
they beat us.
My brother, can you come up please? Aitada. Okay, qhubeka futhi. Yabona uyakwatisa nokwatile uyakwatisa mo. Uzokwatela phezulu kwakhe.
Ngobo.
Qhubeka futhi.
Inzima le.
Yeah, yayibona.
Kona iligi ne. Ayimnandi.
Nani this season.
Yabona iChiefs
Yeah.
yenza iligi yabamnandi.
Interesting.
Asivani.
Yeah.
Kuthi Chiefs yenza iligi yabamnandi. Uyabona?
Yeah.
And enye into esimele singayikhondoni system yabo ref bethu wase South Africa majidi PSL
Yeah.
regardless sibadla iSundowns badla iChiefs boze Pirates whoever team but awa
Standard.
ayikho proper decision iPSL or iSAFA eyithathako ngabo uva bathi umuntu is suspended for 2 games or 1 game he knows he's coming back.
Yeah.
Don't suspend that person. He has been this thing for the past 3 seasons. Just take him out
Yeah.
for the whole season or 2 seasons.
Yeah.
Nahana sibizi mfanako.
Oh my God.
Nahana sibizi mfanako. Enobulele mkhothi. Kawuta kabuta nahana sibizi atshwerele kathi ha.
And otwa itshwara sibisa ukwabayi.
Akasayithwera.
Ukwabayi zotwa itshwara.
Akasaholi.
And akacha kubayizise kaje.
No angabhayi.
Okay, what went wrong? What went wrong namhlanje?
No, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Chiefs did have their plan, ne? Sundowns did have their plan.
Yeah.
And it was called Sundowns. If you can check, after Adams was taken out, there are some balls in the space of Adams that were coming into his space.
No one was there.
No one was there. Adam was out.
Yeah.
So I cannot say Sundowns didn't play. If he didn't play, Chiefs were supposed to win the game. And the Sundowns was supposed to win the game.
Exactly. Yeah.
But roll over, all over. Aye.
Kuzolunga. Kuhlolo kantani?
Like,
Yeah.
iwile.
Ibuleyile.
Ihlanga kwambombela.
Yeah.
Iyo
Rustenburg.
ko Obi ko Rustenburg.
Yeah.
And the Chiefs ngiyayibona ithore. Ithore star inyaka ku CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
Inyaka Chiefs inyaka kuba pala Sundowns itachi ya CAF.
Yeah.
Pirates chi marwaina khana direct. Marwaina khana direct.
Alingi nix. Pirates aingi nix. Kaliki. Lona lenkaliki mara careful nix.
Ngobo, tshwara mo khosi. Aketsa my botswaka. Ubalile.
Qadile, mayimoshe. Hayi ngizawakho.